Cheers! To the room. A lot of rooms available, and the reception. I'm not sure what's his position. Rowan manager is very nice, very kind. Filipino ra. Bisaya po siya. This is us. So this is our room. We booked for a mixed room, but they ran out, so we got lucky. We are staying here with air conditioning, but the restroom is still shared. But there's plenty, di ba, may? Plenty of restrooms for ladies and separate for gentlemen as well. This is the bathroom, hair dryer, complete with soap, share with shower. This is the laundry area. That's where we go down. So this is our hostel. Basically in front of it is a restaurant where they sell really cheap food, very Asian cuisine, and they serve a lot. And they serve a very good coffee. So I'm gonna head there and drink some coffee on a car. So this is their main menu, just around $6 or $7, but it's already complete menu. There's a lot of rice if you're a rice person. I think this is really sulit for the Filipinos. And again, it's just in front of the hostel. Very great place. And now here's the coffee with mother. We love the coffee. It's the best. One of a kind. I don't know what they put in here, but really, one of the best. Cheers, mother. Cheers! Hello, come to me. Come. Look at you. Oops, sorry. So this is the colorful neighborhood. It's still 7 in the morning. So everything is just within the streets. All your needs, food, drinks. Plus you can save more. Because as per Colleen, you eat where the locals eat. You go where the locals go.